Hey, welcome back to another section where we're gonna implement persistent memory. What does that mean? Well, currently, as you know, our agent tracks the conversation history, but that is only saved temporarily. For example, if the user enters a query and then they close the program, that user query is not saved anywhere. It was only saved temporarily in that particular Python session. So in this section, we're gonna implement persistent memory using two methods, SQLite and Superbase. So both are databases. SQLite is a portable database. Superbase is based on PostgreSQL, which is the standard production database solution, especially for Python programs. It's usually the first choice. So let's start with SQLite in the next video, and then we implement Superbase with Postgre after that. See you.